Welcome to the Island tutorial for creating connections. Connections can be used to connect with other students on the iLearn website. To start, go to your profile. Then, when you get to your profile, go to the Connections tab. On here, you can search for connections or create a work site. You want to search for a connection. Using the example below, you can find the student you are searching for. You can click Add as Connection. The connection will be requested, and the student on that side will have to accept it. From the student side, go to your profile. Under the Connections tab, you should see that you have a connection from the person that just sent it to you. Here, you can click Confirm Connection, Ignore Connection, View Connections, or email them. Click Confirm Connection. You'll be able to remove a connection after adding it, view connections again, or email them. If you click on their name, it'll access their profile and how many connections that they have.